dokie now! If you're looking to figure out how to hook up a dryer vent, well, I'm in one! Okay, so make sure you got one of those. And then your dryer will have this vent connection right here. And all you're gonna do is take this vent right here. You can get this at Lowe's, dryer vent. And it has a little ring on here. And you can use a flathead screwdriver right here on that little fitting, or you can use what I'm going to use is a little nut driver, and you're basically going to put this on there to tighten it and to loosen it. Okay, at first you want this on there loose so that you can slide it over that vent, and then once you've got it on there, which I'm going to show you how I do this, then you can tighten it all down. So let me set you down here. And you don't want to tear it when you're putting it on. Okay, now that that's on there, I can tighten this down now. Okay, that's not going to go anywhere. Now this other end, we're going to do the same thing. Make sure it's long enough. Okay, that's not going anywhere. Now this is venting. It's going to be venting out and outside. Whenever you're pushing the dryer back in place, remember to plug it in, and not to kink this. Make sure it all folds in like this. It's all folding in nice and neat. You're not going to have it all bent to heck, all right? If this video was helpful in any way, go ahead and like it. Subscribe to the channel if you like home improvement videos. And remember, I have videos on how to hook up this washer as well, and the problems involved with that. So, see you next time.